you'll find the power mirror control knob on the driver door trim. To adjust either of the side view mirrors, turn the control knob to the upper left or upper right position to select the corresponding mirror. Then, tilt the control knob in the direction you'd like to move the mirror. When you're finished, set the control back to the center position so you don't move them later accidentally. If equipped, you can adjust the power blind spot mirrors the same way. Just set the control knob to the bottom left or bottom right position. You may also find power folding buttons for easy one-touch folding and unfolding of the power mirrors. And if equipped, the heated power mirrors will melt frost or ice from the side mirrors anytime you activate the rear window defroster. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.